Well, health experts are warning parents about a new internet challenge that could lead to an overdose. There is a trend involving cooking food with over-the-counter cough medicine. Heating up medicines like that can make medication more potent. And health experts at Gunderson Health System say eating things cooked with medication is dangerous.
It is extremely foolish to cook food in medicine and expect that to do anything other than expose you to danger and risk.
Doctors also say that parents need to be aware of their child's social media activities and talk to their kids about what could happen if they misuse medication.